Okay, so if you're watching my videos to see what I'm wearing, okay, I'm gonna do an OOTD. So that's my outfit of the day. First of all, I don't know what degrees it is outside, but I'm wearing this leather dress that I made from one picking Philip. And when I said I made this leather dress a long time ago, it was a long time ago. So I'm wearing this leather dress. It has a three-quarter sleeve. I put on my undershirt under it so that I'd be warm. And then over my leather dress, I'm wearing this. Let's take this off. So I'm wearing it's like an apron-like sweater, vest over my dress. Cute. Ties at the side, and I never leave home without this. $3.99 bag from Goodwill. This is where I carry important stuff. My lip gloss, my Vaseline, my cards. And I'm wearing this over the knee. I am wearing way over the knee stockings and my over the knee boot with a little bit of a heel. And I wore this one that I call my teddy bear. This is for the really cold days. And I love the color. This is from Amazon. And of course, I can really go without my backpack of some sort. And that is my outfit of the day. Oh, it's I keep changing my hair. Temporary. All right, thanks for watching.